Here's the app called Purrrr, Feed Online, quite viral app these days, feed and rescue stray cats. It's going viral in US and worldwide. So yeah, it's really cool idea. So basically, it's not that just you have like some like directory of stray cats and you donate money to feed them. No, this is live camera of you donate money to feed these cats, and then you have live cameras watching how these cats are eating. So, and then these cats are collecting funds and collecting donations for themselves, and this is ongoing live stream for these lots of cats. And then you can just go and create your account. And then you can just have like all these cats. Basically, you can see them live. You can see live cameras of all these cats being fed. And then you can see popular cats. You can see some cats which are popular. And then you can see, and then people just basically donating. So quite great idea. And then you can say, so here's the cat is eating, and then you can tap feed button, and then you can just buy some snacks specifically for this cat. It's quite cool. And then you just feed in it, and then you have cat snaps, which are basically trending snaps, which you see here. And then there's coin boost, where you can get some coins daily. Then you can also just fund, donate, and then you have your account. So yeah, quite a great idea. This is basically like Twitch live stream for stray cats. Yeah, quite great idea. And then definitely try out this app. I don't know where these cameras are located, in which countries. Is it only Asia or China, or is it like worldwide? How to get involved, how to install your own camera, I don't know. Maybe you can get in touch, because if you just have like a list of cats where like you just donate to feed them, it's kind of boring. But here you really have live cams, and some of the cats are becoming online stars in here, and they easily raise any money. So quite a great idea. Maybe it can be expanded not only to cats but dogs. I think here there are not only cats, but also there are some other animals. So you can see there are dogs already who want to eat, stray dogs. And yeah, so try it out.